let's do the cargo box video. Where I started was, this was a shipping box for industrial parts. These are just designed to be heavy platforms, basically, for hauling industrial parts. It came with this just straight plywood lid. It was nailed down, I believe. So I took this as my base. First thing I did was I added these two 2x4 runners as reinforcement across this plywood top. And I've offset them some like this, but these are still great for cargo straps. If you want to strap this to a rack, you just put your straps right there on the inside. Then I've added two stainless steel cabinet latches on the back, also put in with heavy wood screws. And I've added this gate latch right here with my homemade divot in there to hold it closed. I don't need to put a lock on there. It's not going to be that kind of box. I'll just use this to haul metal detector equipment and stuff and store it. And there you go. You could paint something like this if you wanted to. There's really no need in my case. This is just going to be a straight storage box. And I did add two drill holes on each side with a rope stuck through and a U and knots tied on the inside, just so I have a place to grab hold if I want to carry the box or drag it. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go out and build one.